'cause I'm feeling so mad. This world is crazy, I don't understand. You're in your world and I'm in mine, but I will love you till the end of time. What kind of world are you living in, where love is ruled by the color of your skin? Wanted a family of